Today I am going to teach you an important topic of decomposition reaction. Earlier I taught on the two other important topic, combination reaction, synthesis reaction, or displacement or substitution reactions. So then today just before explaining the decomposition reaction, I will define the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single reactants break down two or more products by absorbing heat energy or other kind of energy. So then see the examples of decomposition reaction. I take the first example, mercuric oxide, MgO. See the mercuric oxide. On heating mercuric oxide, it decomposes into mercury and oxygen. My dear students, you know that this equation is balanced or not. For knowing this, you will check the atom of each element on both the sides. Atom of mercury at the reactant side is 1 and at the product side is 1. And the atom of oxygen at the reactant side is 1 and at the product side is 2. So we have to equalize this oxygen atom. So we will multiply this by 2. Now oxygen becomes 2 atoms, and on the product side also oxygen becomes 2 atoms, and mercury here 2 atom and mercury here 1. So we multiply this mercury atom by 2. Now my dear students, all of you have understood in this chemical equations each atom of elements are equal. So another examples is electrolysis of water. It means decomposition of water by passing electric current. So H2O by passing electric current, electricity, it breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. Just check it is balanced or not. We are seeing 2 atom hydrogen at the reactant side and 2 atom of hydrogen at product side, and 1 atom of oxygen at reactant side and 2 atom of oxygen at product side. So oxygen is not balanced. To make oxygen atom equal on both sides, we multiply water molecules, here this water molecules, by 2. In this way oxygen in this reactant side 2 on the 2 हो गए, just it becomes 2, and at the product side also already 2. And now I check the hydrogen atom at the reactant side. This is 2 to the 4, but at the product side is only 2. So we will multiply it hydrogen molecules by 2 also. Now we see at both the sides hydrogen atoms are equal and oxygen atom are equal. So this chemical equation is balanced. Now I am going to tell about the third decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate. On heating, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. My dear students, you know this is the single reactants and it changes into the two products, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. At both the sides calcium atoms are equal, carbon atoms are also equal, oxygen atoms are also equal. So this is also balanced chemical equation. I hope that all of you have understood it very well, the decomposition reaction by these examples. If any problems comes in the way of understanding, you are free to comment in comment sections. I will solve it again. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Enjoy.